Hello guys, how many of you are aware that I made a video today showing you that in during that afternoon time, buying from Cashlink and selling on enjoying p2p wasn't profitable during that morning, is it afternoon time? But right now the market has changed, so it is actually profitable again. So I want to make this and show you really quick so that you can actually go and try out this immediately. So, I believe most of you have been seeing how I've been going to the market. So you can also try the same strategy I used in check going to the market to spot out and offers. So right now I want to show you this very quick. So let's click on deposit. Once you click on deposit, you click on deposit engine. Once you click on deposit engine, you are going to wait a little bit for it to pop up for you to complete your trade. So now we are on this interface. Before we proceed, I am crypto. What I promote in this my channel is cryptocurrency arbitrage, such as exchanges arbitrage, triangular arbitrage, spot trading, and etc. So before I so what we need to do now, so if you like the kind of content I promote on this channel, please do well to subscribe, like my video, and also share my video so that it will get to other people. Thank you. So let's click on continue here. So once we are here, let's use 50,000 naira for this arbitrage. I normally use 50,000 naira for the benefit of everybody. So let's insert 50,000 naira. So we are our 50,000 now. You can see we are going to charge a merchant fee of 250 naira, and we will be left with 49,750 naira. So I don't actually want to click on this because I have been clicking on this. So I don't actually want to click on this again because I don't actually want to click on continue because I don't want to be having issues with buyer, or I don't want Binance to block my account, because anytime I click on this, if there is an offer, I will still cancel it. So I don't actually want to click on it right now. So if you are watching this video, you can actually go and try it out. What we need to do is, you can see, if you actually find a merchant right now and there's an offer, you will receive 49,750 naira in your wallet after removing the merchant fee. So let's go and see how much we will be making. Click on trade. Once you are on this interface, what you need to do is, you can see dollar here is actually selling at the rate of 1,471 naira. So what we need to do is, let's insert our 49,750. With our 49,750, we are going to have 33.8 USDT, and we now move to p2p here to complete our trade. Once you are on p2p here, what you need to do is to wait for it to finish. Then you now click on sell. Once you click on sell, you now come here to click on filter and toggle off this for the benefit of all merchants. So once you are here, you now insert the amount you actually want to sell. That's 50,000. I see this guy is actually buying at the rate of 1,511 naira. So he received OPay, bank transfer, PalmPay, Kuda Bank as means of payment and receiving money. So we now click on this guy. So once we click on this, we now insert the amount we have, 33.8. You can see we will be able to make a 1,000 naira or 1,070 naira profit. You can actually see that it's actually profitable. So on our calculator now, we started this trade with 50,000 naira, and we have been able to make 51,070 naira. Let's say 51,070 naira minus 50,000 naira. You can see you have made a profit of 1,070 naira. Let's say 1,070 naira times 5 times, you making 5,350 naira. Let's say 5,350 naira times 100 times 30 days, you will make a whooping sum of 160,500 naira. Remember, all what you need is consistent, bro. You cannot just settle down in your comfort zone and think you will be able to make more. You need to work tirelessly. You need to go to the market. You need to do analysis day by day to make this money. Okay, you need to jump into the market and implement these strategies that I'm showing you guys, you will be making money. And I'm here to help you guys by dropping update anytime I find one to show you guys, so that you can actually jump into the market. So I think this is one of the most reasons you should subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button, because anytime I drop an update like this, you'll be able to get notified and actually immediately carry it out and make money to yourself. Okay, so if you enjoy this kind of content, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like my video and share it so that it gets to others people. Thank you.